I put sunblock on.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We're live from Jamaica. We're here at the Jewel Resort, Runaway Bay. Teri is one of 5 girls that I'm getting ready today for the destination wedding. And so I'm starting by prepping her skin with the Makeup Forever Step 1 mattifying primer. It's really hot over here, and Teri has a oily skin type. So I'm also using some of the Dermacolor powder to also help prime her face, make sure she's completely matte before we go in. Using this brow gel from NARS, I'll put the product list down below, but this I'm just using like very light strokes as well as a lighter color than her hair, because what that does is it makes the brow very soft and angelic rather than heavy. So in a hot and sticky climate such as this, it's very important to make sure that you prime the eyelid. That way the eyes don't crease. We're going with a very sort of natural champagne look, just a little bit of smoke. And so I've kind of double primed. I'm using the 24-hour Step Primer by MAC. And I'm also using a bit of the Prep and Prime paint pot. And I think it's soft ochre. And so that's kind of double priming process. It's just going to make sure that everything lies flat and stays in place. So you can see I'm being quite light-handed. I'm also using a very fluffy brush to make sure that, you know, everything is just well blended, seamless, soft, and it's really just a touch of color. One of the most important steps is lining the eye and making sure you get right down into the base so there are no gaps. So I'm just filling that in. You can see the difference. It's great. And I'm just going to kind of smudge it out. That way we have a very kind of soft, sort of smoky look, but not overly smoky. It's just pretty. So I'm quickly jumping over to skin while I'm waiting for the eyelash glue to get tacky, because time is of the essence and these girls need to be on the beach for 3 p.m. And so now that lashes are on, I'm going to jump back over to skin. So I mixed the perfect shade using the Tien Idol foundation by Lancome, and I'm making sure to blend the face well in with the neck, because we want that seamless overall color, that the overall tone that we see in her body. So making sure that we match to her neck and her chest. And while I'm working on Teri's skin, you're going to see me jump back and forth from using a beauty blender that's dampened to using a brush, because I really want to make sure that all areas are getting the appropriate touch that it needs with the correct blend. Sometimes the beauty blenders or Real Technique sponges tend to lift some of the product, and I want to actually pack it in a little bit more. So I'll actually use my brush to pack it in while I'm using my beauty blender to blend it out. So I've mixed Gingerly and Burnt Pepper blush by MAC. I'm just softly applying that to her cheeks. You You guys know I'm a super fan of liquid lips, and Chestnut is my go-to lip liner for women of color. I absolutely love this. Blending the two of these products together with a bit of gloss is all I need for the perfect bridal pout. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this look that we created on Teri. This is actually a real booking, so you will see a lot of the bridal party walking around in the background. So thanks so much for just being patient with us. And let me know if you'd like to see more of these videos. Bye!